Hello people, this is Samuel Lee and this is Skywars. I'm waiting for other people to join this game in order for me to play. I'm a noob at this, it's my first time, but I'm still gonna try. Whoa. Oh, come on. Game starting in 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's bring it on, Sunny Boy. Whoa. Whoa. Cool, mate. Is there anything for me to do? I need to get some wood in order to get myself some wooden planks. This is quite hard. Harder than you think. Because you have to get all the ingredients and all those, those stuff. Whoa. So I need a little bit more wood. And I'll be ready with the... Oh my goodness. And I have bloop, 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 bloop. And I am going to make a pickaxe. Now I have to take all this to make a stick. And with the stick, we put it here. Bloop, bloop. Okay. Alright, now I have a pickaxe. And from here on, I will actually be digging wood. And what is this? Is this like a secret lair or something? Whoa! No, no, no! What? No, I died. I fell for that trick. How can I? I'm never gonna fall for that trick again. I guess we have to start over. Sorry for that. Right now, starting over. Ah, that's close. I just found diamond. Come on, people. Come on, people. Let's join. I really want to finish this. And trust me, I am going to. 10 vote coins to spend items and /vote. What? Whoa. Okay, I guess the game started. Oh, I get a lava bucket. Put it on them. Troll. I guess I'll put the diamond leggings on. And leather boots. Whoa. Iron boots. Oh, a diamond boot. That's awesome. Thank you. Troll. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna get my iron boots instead of. And in case I will need this, every offensive items I could get my hands on. Like, oh, come on. Okay. I have my wooden axe. And indeed making a pickaxe. With a pickaxe, I'll make. Whoa, what is it? What the fuck? An anvil. An anvil! That's good. That's awesome. Uh-oh, why did I break that? Where's the wood? Here. Crafting table. With this, I would make the king. Okay, and I have my pickaxe here. Yes, I'll take that instead of my bone. Who needs a bone? Where's my mine shaft? Let's go into the mine shaft. Where's the mine shaft? Oh, come on. No mine shaft. Can't see. I don't want to die like this. There's a get. I just want to get out. Oh, oh. How? How can I break these things? And go underneath. This is stupid. Oh, come on. How did they do that? Oh, I guess my ender pearl will help me in some sort. I never thought this would come in handy. What? What do you think? Better mixed all of them. Okay. No! No, oh. I guess I lost every match I play. It's because I'm not that skilled at Minecraft. Thank you for watching. Alright, never mind. I'm not done yet. Should I play one more or not? People say playing one more hurts you. I guess. Thank you for watching. Thank you.